Hey, just a very quick follow-up from last night's story about the drone attack in Isfahan in the heart of Iran, southeast of Tehran, but pretty much right in the middle of the country. A significant development that a drone strike could take place that far inside of Iran. The strong bet is still that Israel was involved in that. And so, if so, that's a significant message being sent that if it's in response to the terrorist attacks that took place within Israel a couple days ago, then this is a pretty strong message saying we can come get you anywhere we want. So there's also another report from a reporter from I-24 claiming to have sources through a Saudi news source, claiming that an American source said that we were involved in it in order to send a message about Iran's missile program, and that this drone strike in Isfahan actually struck a missile development facility. Don't know if that's true or not. We'll see what happens in the days to come. It does sound as though the facility in Isfahan did produce drones, though, which potentially puts a strain on Iran's ability to supply those for Russia. So if that becomes a means through which Russia ends up having to get more involved, that would be significant. It is very possible that the reason why Israel has not been directly confirmed to have done this may have something to do with Russia's not wanting to have to fight on two fronts at this point, with the Ukraine war and that, if taxing them and having impact. I wonder if Russia and Iran are talking about this, if Russia may not have counseled Iran not to come forth and give evidence that Israel was involved, if in fact Israel left evidence that they were involved. So anyway, just some military intrigue kinds of things to consider. But again, our biggest focus is always on how this affects, how this comes together potentially to bring about the scenario in Ezekiel 38 and 39. Are these early signs of hooks in the jaws? I don't know. I don't really know. But if so, and this moves forward in any kind of, if it opens up much, in a way that begins to fall in line with Ezekiel 38, then we're in store to see God work in some very dramatic ways on behalf of Israel. Of course, that would be thrilling. So anyway, that being said, just a quick update here based on the stuff that was happening overnight. It is significant that lots of news sources are now confirming this, whereas it was pretty sparse last night. Although that's details about it remain pretty sparse. Most of the headlines are just that the attack happened. So be paying attention, be watching. We'll continue to post links and articles on our Telegram channel. The link to that is below in the notes section. And you can follow us there as well, where we post these videos too. So thanks for watching and listening, and stay tuned. God bless you all this Sunday morning.